Alright guys, so we got the 2021 E-Tron here. This is the Audi. This is full electric. Alright Fig, should we go in or what? Alright guys, take a quick look in the back. Got the leather in there. Got the screen in the back. What do we got back here? Oh, that's a small tire, man.
Yeah, that deep dish there.
Oh, we got a little... That's pretty cool. I like that.
Alright. No one saw the back yet, right?
No.
Alright.
Yeah, so it looks good, Fig. Appreciate it. It's not on the key?
It is, but I just want to see if there's a button on there. So
Try
2 times. Opens the back, and then another 2 times. Close the back. Oh, there's no back one.
There
It just
isn't?
opens it.
Oh, okay.
You have to use that.
That's something good to know that people want to know, right? So the key fob doesn't have a button to close the back trunk.
Only open.
Only open. Nice leather. Perforated. Alright, so you guys can see this is the E-Tron
Cockpit, eh? This is the cockpit.
Cockpit. Yeah, we got 2 screens here. Down here, if you guys look, I know my phone's there, but there's wireless charging all in here and multiple compartments. It's pretty wild, actually. What's your thoughts on this one, Fig?
First things off, foot on the brake.
Put on the brake.
I have to hear the electric engine most.
I got the push start right here, foot on the brake. Let's put the windows down. Oh fuck, forget it. Oh, this is, wow. So this is on now then.
It doesn't even sound like it turned on, bro.
Alright guys, just a quick look at the shifter here. When you move it, it's just, look, so that's reverse, neutral, drive, and then park is right here. So you just press that. I already got the parking brake on, you guys already know.
The key could be a little bit better though. The money that you're paying for this, like, what is that? That's like my Mazda key, bro.
Okay, so we just put it in drive.
Just hit down right. Super quiet, as you can tell.
So guys, this is, I believe it's the Sportback, but I'll put it on the screen right here, which one it exactly is.
Did you feel that? The seatbelts kind of tightened you in a little bit.
Yeah, seatbelts for sure. Oh, it still makes the noise, eh? So again, guys, you take your foot off the gas, it completely stops. So we're just gonna take it nice and easy for now. Just get used to this one a little bit.
Navigation looks nice.
Navigation is very nice. I like the way the screen is tilted a little bit.
So there's not a lot of glare.
Not a lot of glare. How do you feel so far?
Really comfortable on the passenger. A lot of room for my feet and legs. Too much room for me, actually. I want to see how the back is when we get out.
Okay.
For now, let's see how it feels on the road. And check what else kind of features we have.
Yeah, take a look, Vic. You gotta show us.
The vehicle here. Settings. Okay, let's see. Phone apps, favorites. Oh, there's more. Let's see.
Wow, look at the dual.
For the chairs.
Try to get a close up on that.
Check the Panorama Sunroof in the back too. How's the steering wheel feel?
Steering wheel feels nice. I like the, yeah, it's kind of like edgy. It's not like round. It's got like, it's kind of squared off.
Feels good in the hands.
Yeah, it feels good. Oh, it's not that fast, but it's not really supposed to be.
Yeah.
And you guys can see there's display on the front there. Or I can see it. I don't know if you can see it. Alright guys, we're gonna do a quick on the highway for you. Like I said, I'm not going too crazy with this car because it's literally
SUV.
Yeah, it's, you know, whatever, electric. But I was always interested to see how the Audis felt with electric, you know.
See if they did it right.
See if they did it right. So far so good. Alright guys, we're just getting on the DVP here. This is all the way down. Holy shit, up to one. Let's go in the let's get over here. So you really don't notice how fast you're going, I can tell you that. I'm going 130 and it didn't even, I think I was going 140 there for a minute.
It didn't even feel like you were doing that.
Didn't even feel like it.
So this thing has cruise control, lane assist.
Everything, right?
Yeah, it even tells you how fast you should be going on the dash. That's crazy.
How fast you should be going?
Yeah. It's telling you only go 100.
Oh, I think we're... Oh yeah, it even is telling me here. That's funny. Because you know we don't do 100 around here. Check the brakes. Brakes are good. That's a Tom special. Tom always checks the brakes. So while we're stopped, I'll take a quick gander in the back. You guys can see we got the full big sunroof. Fig's just looking at. Oh wow, we got the cameras.
Oh shit, look at this. Look where we parked.
Very cool. With the signal on too. Guys, take that in. Hopefully you can see that.
You can see who the fuck's behind us. BMW's behind us.
That's pretty intense, man.
Yeah. It's a 360 cam.
Other than that, guys, you got the basics, call, volume, you know, all that good stuff. You gotta make a turn here. So Fig, what do you talk to me here? How you feel?
I feel really comfortable, man. Like I don't feel. I feel like I could go to long trips with this.
Yeah.
Without the hassle of bumps and loud engine. If you want like a nice peaceful
Check the
drive,
cornering.
this is what it is.
Okay, ready guys? Merging. Yeah, pickup is more than enough in this. I mean, I can't complain. You can get in front of people well. It's not laggy.
You feel a lot of body roll when you turn into the corner?
I didn't go fast enough.
Yeah.
But so far it's not bad, no. For SUV slash whatever the hell it is, it's not that bad. Cabin noise is very minimal. It's you gotta be careful you don't fall asleep in a car like this. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because it is pretty freaking quiet. I don't think I could ever see myself like in one of these, because I feel like this is more of a luxury family car. Yeah, this isn't like
have your kids sleep in the back with no sound. Yeah.
This is the one, yeah, for that type of stuff.
I didn't know that this car does change the suspension from higher to low.
Oh, it does?
Low. You have the raise.
Put it up and down.
You have to do it when it's parked, sorry.
Yeah, it's got a little noise. I think that's for legal reasons though.
Oh, the gauge changed to the off-road.
You guys can see. Alright guys, shooting. Oh fuck, I knew that was gonna happen. This guy. Fucking guy. Like if you pull out, at least go fast, man.
Yeah, it's because turtle.
Fucking grandma out here.
Ooh, it has a bigger punch than off-road, bro.
That was all the way down. It feels higher though. Like now it feels like I'm in an SUV.
Okay, let's do it some sport. We'll change the options this light here.
I want to really see how much power this thing has. Oh, there is shifters.
There is? No way.
I don't even think they work though, man.
Let's see.
Yeah, this is busy.
This is a sports mode, so it must pull a little bit more.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. There we go. That was 0 to like 70 or 80.
We'll do another one at this light.
Oh, see? Charge ready.
What? It has a fucking...
Okay, ready? 1, 2. That was 0 to 80. Don't get too crazy. There's a lot of fucking... Yeah, a lot of headhunters out here, man. Let's see how it feels with the UE. Ready? There's a lot of body roll though, I think, eh? Like I said, not going too crazy today. Overall thoughts, Fig, on the E-Tron?
Very good, very good. If there was an electric SUV, this is the one. I don't know about the Teslas, but I would definitely buy one of these.
You like
just
it?
Just that, like a lot of people have Teslas. I'd rather get one of these.
Yeah, it is comfortable, man.
Drivetrain.
Yeah, guys, I'm not 100% sure how to work this boost, electric boost, you know, spool, but
I think you have to keep the foot on the brake and then rev it up a little bit and then let go of the brake. We'll try here.
Okay. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, ready, guys? Boost. Right now. Oh no,
shit.
so it is a little bit. It's like electric boost. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's kind of phony boost, but it's still fun.
Let's see.
And of course we're in traffic, so we're not getting the full feel, but
yeah.
just so that way you guys can see.
Stop right here and do the boost.
Okay.
10 seconds, we'll make it light.
Okay guys, boost in. That was 0 to 100 for you guys right there.
Nice.
And that's it for me today. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Appreciate Fig for coming along.
Sir.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, we might be looking at a giveaway in the future, in the near future, so make sure you guys tune in, and hope you guys enjoyed it.
Peace.
Peace.